You can tell business economics is really for you if you love money. Hi, I'm Ange, a second-year student taking business economics here at the UP School of Economics in UP Diliman. Come with me and learn what it's like to be an ekonomista ng bayan. Business economics is like the perfect intersection of business and also the social sciences, which I love.
In the business econ class, hindi lang kami nakafocus sa theories at textbook. We also engage with real-world social issues, lalo na ngayong we are facing an economic crisis because of the increase in gas prices, higher inflation, and supply chain disruptions. By understanding that economics does not exist in a vacuum, we develop social awareness from an economic perspective.
First things first, there will be a lot of maths. I think most of my batchmates didn't really expect there will be a lot of maths, but believe me, you'd encounter them in statistics, in accountancy, and most importantly, calculus. But don't worry, kasi there will be a lot of orgs that will be willing to help you out. I think the most prominent one is that business economics is more on the business side, when actually, it's more about the economical side and a little bit of business. You can go practice being an economist, go to the academe, or you can also go to government agencies such as BSP, NADA, and you can also go to banking like BPI, and other stuff will be like corporate, finance, marketing. Business economics is a great field for a wide variety of career paths. UPSE is directly under the Philippine Center for Economic Development, which is a government agency, and we have so many well-known economists that are also our professors, such as Ma'am Sulita Mansod, or also known as Maring Winnie. In the curriculum, you'd see that for BS Economics, you'd have a lot of free electives that you can choose from, but for Business Economics, you'd only have the finance and management electives. But other than that, if you don't want business electives, you can enlist industrial engineering courses and also HRIM and statistics. You'll meet a lot of people from different walks of life. Personally, I've met so many interesting people through my orgs and my classes, and I found out that we have such a wide variety of interests.
I really like how econ is able to turn real-world scenarios into mathematical equations. But what made me really stay in econ is the UPSE community that I've built with my friends, my upperclassmen, and even our profs.
If you're passionate about understanding how business and economics can help you make the smart choices, then business econ might be the perfect choice for you. This video was made in partnership with the UP Organization of Business Economic Majors, a close-knit organization promoting economic awareness and excellence in service of society. Once again, I'm Ange, and this is Crash Course.